For this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use Echo Desktop. Before you start this process, it is important that you have registered with the Access Center, turned in appropriate documentation, met with an advisor, and requested and have been approved for this specific accommodation. I will be using a PC to demonstrate using Echo Desktop, but it should look very similar to you if you are using a Mac. To download your notes and audio recordings, you will first plug your pen in using the USB cord after opening the Echo Desktop application. Make sure to keep your smart pen plugged in while you are downloading. Your notes and recordings will show up. On the upper left-hand corner, you can choose between Pages or Audio. Pages allows you to look at your notes and play the audio to correspond with the notes. While listening to the pen or computer, you can add additional notes to your notebook, and the notes will appear in a different color on your computer. If you are on Pages, the words in black are the ones you wrote when there was no audio being recorded. Meanwhile, the words in green mean that audio is being recorded on the pen. To navigate through your recording, you can click on a word and the audio will start at that word. You can press the next button at the top to go through the pages or through going back to the notebook. You can zoom in on a page or make the speed of the recording faster or slower. You can also skip through the recording by clicking throughout the notebook page or by clicking on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Finally, if there is a certain word or topic that you would like to find, simply type this word or topic in the Search All box in the upper right-hand side. Echo Desktop will highlight the word or topic throughout your notes. The Audio tab will show you the various audio files that you recorded on the pen, so you can also access your files this way. When your loan time is up and you must return the Smart Pen, you will want to archive your notes before returning your pen. Then you will be able to still use your notes in future classes. You will do this by saving your notes in Echo Desktop by right-clicking each active notebook listed in the left bar and archiving them. On the Pages tab, you can also print off your notes if you would like to. And that's how you use Echo Desktop. Thanks for watching.